Yeah, guys, welcome back to our next video. Today, I'm gonna cook some stew peas. Guys, as you can see over here, so my peas, put my peas to soak from this morning. You understand my this? So, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light up the stove and make the peas go and boil. Guys, I be a badness in the kitchen, some bad stew peas. Watch how I go on. In my stew peas, guys, I'm gonna put chicken foot and chicken. We have chicken leg. So I'm gonna use the chicken foot and the chicken leg. Guys, watch how I go. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna light up the stove here now. Let me peas go and boil guys. I be your badness, guys. Watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Check for my peas them guys. Guys, the peas them soon cook it so easy. Guys, when I go cook red peas, you put it in soup. First thing you do, you wash it and put it in soup. So whenever time I go boil it, you put on it, light up the stove. In space I say half hour, the peas cook. I don't like it, you know. So around 10 minutes now, this is the pan fire and they almost cook, so you must know. So guys, I'm not gonna now. I'm gonna ox out the coconut and blend up the coconut. You understand what I did? Yeah. So while I done blend up the coconut, the peas are almost ready. You understand what I did? Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna cut up the coconut, you know, the overs. Yeah guys, cut up the coconut because we are going in the kitchen. Cut them up, blend them up. Peas cook. Don't know about this. Guys, some bad stew peas. Yeah, believe that. Cut up a 1 carrot said we. Guys, just watch your badness in the kitchen. Some bad stew peas, guys. Watch how I go on. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna blend up the coconut now. I'm gonna sew up on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna blend up the coconut now. I'm gonna sew up on. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna strain them off. I'm not gonna sew up on. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so this is my coconut milk. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chew my meat in a pot now, my chicken foot and my chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna just wash them off, cut them up, and chew them in a pot guys. So watch about this. Yeah guys, so my chicken and my chicken foot. You understand what I did? Yeah, I'm gonna chew them in my stew guys. Watch about this guys, when I come in on Nicholas kitchen, be a bad food. Guys, I'm gonna chew my meat, my chicken and my chicken foot. I can go and boil with the peas. The peas cooking about. I'm gonna make the chicken and chicken foot go and boil. And what I'm gonna do, I'll cut up carrots. Guys, watch about this. Knead up the flour and don't know the badness stuff. Some bad stew. Soon come back guys, be about this. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut up the carrots, knead up some flour, look at the sour, go on. You understand now the guys, that's two y'all about them love it. Just watch about this in the kitchen guys. Yeah guys, so over here so now we have one carrot, one Irish, and piece of pumpkin. I go in and my stew. You understand me? So I'm gonna peel them up, wash them off, put them aside, and knead up my flour, guys. Make no so I go on. You understand me? Guys, watch your badness. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna cut up the carrot, piece of pumpkin, and one Irish. We go in and my stew. Yeah, guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna knead up the flour. You understand me, I did. Soon come back. Guys, I'm gonna put in the Irish carrot and pumpkin. Guys, so I have one knife pot. Guys, so I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna make some flour, train on my pot. You understand what I did? Watch your badness, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna make some spinach, throw in a pot. Yeah, guys, so I go season up the pot with my salt and thyme and pepper. You understand how I did? So watch about this, guys. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put in my scallion on my thyme and my pepper. The overs. Yeah. I make the pot go and cook. Yeah guys, so I'll put in my season. Guys, I'll be about this. Be about this guys, be about this. Scallion, thyme, pepper. Guys, stay tuned. We're finishing with guys, be about this. Some bad stew.